Don't know how to cook Chinese leaves? Let me show you an easy and simple way to make it. Today's dish only takes a few steps. It's extremely suitable for beginners. Let's get into it. We begin by soaking dried shiitake mushrooms until soft. It roughly takes about 1 to 2 hours. Drain the water. I'm not a big fan of mushroom water. Slice them into thin strips. You can use fresh mushrooms, but dried ones have more deeper and richer flavors. Smash 2 garlics. And then we cut the Chinese leaves into large pieces. We cut them into a quarter first. Remove this part at the bottom because it's tough. For this soft part of the leaves, I usually keep it like these large pieces because it's not shrink layer. Now we heat up the pan, add oil, cook garlic over low heat until fragrant. Add the dried mushrooms and dried shrimps. Check the fridge or freeze section in your local Asian supermarket if you don't know where to find dry shrimps. When the mushrooms are light brown and aroma fills the kitchen, we add the Chinese leaf. If your pot is not big enough, you can cook this thick pot first. After it shrinks, you add this soft pot. We cook it over medium-low heat with a cover. Don't forget to stir it to prevent it from burning. In the meantime, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I share or remake one recipe every single week. It takes about 15 minutes until they are soft. And there's no need to add water because they release their own liquid while they cook. Now we add more seasonings, more salt, a bit soy sauce, and a white pepper. Stir it to let the flavor combine. I like to add some crispy onions to add extra texture and flavor. It's packed with umami from both the forest and the sea. It's not a dish that will surprise you, but you just can't stop. If you like my recipe, please hit that subscribe button and follow my other cooking videos.